YouTube family, we back for yet another video, man. What is going on with y'all? It is your boy JayTheSneakerGuy coming at y'all today with an unboxing video and a little quick talk video about what I think about this shoe that I am about to unbox, man. Before we get into it, man, hey, thank y'all, man. Thank y'all, bro. I appreciate y'all. Y'all like, for what, man? For everything. For everything. For being here right now, man. I truly appreciate y'all. Really, you know, all funny stuff to the side, man. I thank y'all for running up them likes on all my previous videos, commenting, as well as subscribing to the channel, man. The channel has been going crazy, man. So with that being said, if this is your first time, a second time, a third time, or whatever it is time that you were watching your boy Jay and you have not joined the family, man, please do that. Hit that subscribe button, man. Be a part of this road to 100K. We are so close, bro. We are so close that it's scary, man. I can't believe that this is actually becoming a reality. I don't know, it's gonna feel weird not saying road to 100K, you know what I'm saying? But that's gonna stop, man. I'm trying to leave that in the year 2022, man. Actually, December. I'm not trying to leave December and saying, hey, man, road to 100K and road to 200. Road to 500, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, appreciate y'all for all that y'all do. Like I said, man, just hit that subscribe button for your boy, as well as give this video a like. Continue with content on the way. Hey, daily content on the way. All y'all gotta do is run them likes up, and I'm gonna bring y'all these movies, man, and all that good stuff, man. But anyways, man, breaking news, man. Breaking news. We did recently have a restock on. You see it? God did. God did. Look, we had a restock on these tees over at Outranked. The guy did tees that does go perfectly with the Air Jordan 5 DJ Khaled's. Hey, do not sleep on those because they did sell out very fast the first time. They restocked today at the time of me making this video. Will they still be available? I don't know, but I do know that y'all, if y'all want them, y'all need to go ahead and head over to Outrank, grab you one of those ASAP, use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout so you can save some bread. And yeah, man, if this was a shoe that y'all picked up, which y'all should have picked up, but if y'all did pick them up, man, pick up one of these tees. They do have different colorways in this tee, and it is a premium quality and a fire sheet, man, a fire tee, man. Y'all see it, you know what I'm saying? The back details, man, you know. But hey, y'all did see the sale colorway right there in that clip from the on feet that I did. If you haven't checked out that on feet video, man, check that out. I think that those fives are a dope shoe. But anyways, man, moving on past that, we do have a shoe that is releasing tomorrow. I have not been able to get my hands on a men's pair, but I still do have the GS pair, man. It is the Air Jordan 12 Black Taxi. Yes, sir. Bang, man. Here they are right here. Releasing tomorrow. Retail price on these will be about $200. Of course, GS will be $150. This is a GS size I do have in my hand. I did do a detailed review on this one in the GS size. If y'all want to check that out, check it out after this video, man. It's pretty much, you know, well, I don't want to say it's the same as the men's pair because I haven't seen the men's pair. And from what I've heard that the colors might be a little bit different on the men's pair, man. So I'm going to hold off on saying that. But with this shoe, man, if you do plan on copping this, back to Outrank, man, they do have a collection. They do have a collection of tees for the Air Jordan 12 Black Taxis. They did send me over a tee to show y'all, man. As y'all can see right there, it says digging for mines. As you can see, fire tee, it goes perfect with those Air Jordan 12 Black Taxis, man. So if you were looking for something to match, man, they got you covered over at Outrank brand. They do have a collection of several different other tees, as you can see right there, Outrank brand on that tag. But they do have several other tees that will go with these Air Jordan 12s, as well as they do have, of course, the hat to match, man. So hey, take advantage of that. Head over to Outrank, get you a full fit over there. Like I did tell y'all before, use that promo code JayTheSneakerGuy, man. But yes, man, the Air Jordan 12s releasing tomorrow. Let me know. Is this on y'all radar? Y'all copping these? Y'all sleeping on them? Like I did say, y'all, I think that these will sell out. I'm not saying that they will sell out tomorrow, but they will sell out before Christmas comes. Guaranteed, man. So that's what I mean when I say that these will sell out. I don't think that they're gonna sit around and go on sale and all that good stuff because, hey, it's just my prediction. But I did mention that this was a new buck. It is a new buck to me, but it's more of like a wax leather. Somebody mentioned that in the comment section, so I kind of want to clarify that. I think the more suitable name for the leather is like a wax leather, man. So shout out to them for whoever said it. It does have that same type of material as you had on your dark Concord 12s. If you know, you know, man. But this is not what the video is about, man. So enough with the talking and rambling, man. Let's get into this unboxing of a shoe that I think y'all should have, you know, got. I mean, if you went for them, I'm pretty sure you got them. But if you didn't go for them, I think it's one of them shoes that's gonna, you know, come back. And I wish I woulda, shoulda. But let's get into it. Appreciate y'all. Dang, man. So here we have it, bro. We do have a package from Nike sneakers, man. Shout out to the sneakers app, bro. The sneakers app, bro. 2020, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I cannot complain with the sneakers app in 2020, man. After hearing about how the bots are so, you know, they so just dominant as far as what, how many accounts and stuff they can make, and really when you think about the bots, it's like, bro, you really have no chance to be winning these shoes, man. And for the fact that I won all the shoes that I have won this year, man, shout out to sneakers, bro, because that just lets you know they got a lot of shoes. If one person can enter 1,000 entries, and little old me, I'm just entering one and I'm still hitting on shoes, bro, that means something, man. But anyways, man, a rare W. Y'all know your boy Jay don't be, I do not be, bro, I don't know why this so messy, bro. This normally comes off clean, but I don't know what I was about to say. But yeah, I don't even know what I was gonna say, man. But yeah, man, hey, this shoe right here, I feel that, you know, when it comes to summer 2023, people start busting these out. Y'all gonna be like, man, they were sitting. You see the prices on them now? Do you see the prices on them now?
Another one.
Another one. Yes, another one. Yes, man, the Air Jordan 5, we the best, man. Your boy did hit for retail. Y'all seeing that light, but y'all, your boy did hit for retail on these, and a lot of y'all did, man, because these were sitting. When I said that these were sitting, like, they were on Nike sneakers app for maybe a day and a half. I don't think it went to December or November 29th midday. I think it sold out December 29th that morning, but they were sitting, man. If you wanted these, you could have copped a pair for retail. And I think, man, that later on, like I did mention, y'all are gonna regret not copping these. Think y'all gonna regret not copping these, because that sneaker market, I'm telling y'all right now, bro, grab the shoes that you want right now, because the prices, I feel, are about to start going back up, man. Nike did mention, as well as Adidas, that they're gonna start lowering the production of their shoes, man. And you know what that's gonna do, man? It's gonna start making shoes more limited again, and supply and demand, bro. Supply and demand. Once these shoes get limited again, market's gonna go back up, man. So when market goes back up on these newer shoes, what you think's gonna happen to these older shoes, man? It's just gonna follow suit, man. So right now, market is down, but just remember, man, it's been there before. We've seen it all happen. It shot back up, it shot back down, but you gotta remember, man, history repeats itself. But yes, sir, man. Bang! The Air Jordan 5, we the best. DJ Khaled's. Man, a lot of y'all say, you know, I don't know, y'all say mixed things about these. Y'all don't like them. They not for y'all. Y'all don't like the we the best on the back. You know, it's a lot of things that y'all say about these shoes, man. But like I said, I'm standing on them. I'm still rating this shoe a 10 out of 10, bro. This shoe is fire in my opinion. And as y'all can see, of course, your boy has 2 of them here, man. I'm not gonna keep 2 because I do not need 2 of these shoes. This is not double up worthy for me. I mean, it really kind of is, you know. It really is, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can have one to wear and one just for like a collector's piece, because like I said, I feel like this shoe, bruh, I'm telling y'all, just watch the numbers that this shoe does do down the line. I think that this is going to be a shoe that skyrockets when it comes to, you know, the market going back up and stuff, man. Not only this one, but I do have another one right here. Let me get it out real quick. And if anybody want this pair, bruh, if you want this pair, size 8, I do have it available, man. Hit me up on Instagram at JTSG Closet. It is my last one. I had a whole bunch of them, but they went fast as I had them. But yeah, JTSG Closet. I do have a size 8, man, and that is in the bang, the sale colorway, man. So I do have this. If y'all want them, y'all just hit me up at JTSG Closet. It is a private page, so you do have to request to get in there if you aren't already a part of, you know, my following over there, man. But yeah, man, these right here, telling y'all, bro, telling y'all it is a shoe, bang, that will come back and haunt y'all, man. So I think the DJ Khaled 5, we the best joints are definitely a top Air Jordan 5 of the year. I'm trying to get them both in the picture real quick so y'all can see them. Watch me drop them, but here they go right here, man. As y'all can see, both these shoes fire in my opinion. I do have reviews and on feeds for both of these if y'all want to check any of them out. Check it out at the end of this video, man. But these two shoes, in my opinion, mark my words, they will go up a lot in value in the future, man. Right now, this one is actually the more, you know, expensive pair, but this is, you know, the more, I guess, general release pair. There's more pairs probably of the Bliss colorway than there is of the Cell colorway, but hey, in my opinion, both these shoes are fire, man. Like I did tell y'all, they do have some merch over at Outrank brand right now for both of these. If you have any of them, make sure you check them out over there, man. But both are fire shoes, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. Did y'all pick up any of these Calis, man? And I know I made a couple videos about these. This will probably be the last one because this is my, well, I actually probably got one more thing coming because I do have some stuff for my Calis coming in as well, man. So I'll probably bring these back out one more time, man. But hey, y'all let me know where these stand. Trying to hold them without making them fall because I feel like they're about to fall, man. But y'all let me know, bro. Where do y'all stand on the DJ Khaled 5s, man? I have them both right here. Like I did say, this size 8 is available if y'all want them at JTSG Closet. But that is it for this one, man. I think that these are fire shoes, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions, and let me know what y'all think about the market next year, man. I think 2023 is gonna be a tough year, man, because if they lower the production of shoes, it's gonna be harder for shoes to get. Prices of shoes gonna go back up, man. So I think 2023 is gonna be a year that it's gonna be digging into y'all pockets again, man. But that's just my opinion, man. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is gone. I will see y'all tomorrow on another video. Until then, man, stay blessed. Peace.